I love flowers, and I hope you also love them too. There's so much that we can learn from nature. The more you are close to your own nature, you will see nature will speak to you more. You will come more close to nature. Actually, nature does speak to us. So, what is the message that these flowers they give me every day? Keep smiling. You see any flowers, they are always smiling, and that smile that really radiates through them and brings a smile and joy into your heart. Isn't it so? I remember when I was a child, I really used to go very deep into my books, and there was a time when I really became very, very bookish, and I hardly had a smile on my face. But I remember my father, he gifted me a t shirt which had this written, "Smile, it improves your face value." I don't know what it did to me that surely reminded me something of myself, that I have to smile a little bit more often. When a child is born, that child smiles 400 times a day. And as the child starts to grow up, when the child is almost 12, 13 years old, the smile is all gone. I'm sure you have all heard of laughter yoga. And let me tell you this, let me share with you all. It's such a big secret, but it is so open secret. Don't you see when somebody smiles, they look so beautiful? Because your smile has great mysteries behind it. I tell you one secret practice that we do in Tantra. You look at yourself in the mirror and you give yourself a big smile early in the morning. Even if you don't feel like, fake it. For 21 days, keep smiling, keep grinning at yourself. No, I'm just kidding. Give a smile to yourself. Your soul is thirsty. Because when you smile, these lips, they have many neurons which is attached directly to these 2 points in your head, which is called temple. And when you will see you are very tensed, you are thinking too much, you will see these are the 2 points which are getting very tense. Am I right? Does it ring a bell with many of you? Yes, I know that. So whenever you feel that pressure, just bring a smile on your face and take a deep breath. Do this for a few times. And right now, you can just stop this video and do it for at least 5 times. Smile. Pause this video, smile, have a big smile, and feel connected with this part and take a deep breath. And write down in the comment box what immediate difference you felt. I'm sure you feel a big difference. Just with one smile, it can make a very big difference. So write it down in the comment box how you felt just before the smiles and how you feel exactly after the smiles. And I tell you, once you get addicted to it, you are going to recommend it to all of your friends, and especially stay with children, smile with them, laugh with them, and really, enjoy life. Make it a great day. Create many blessings. Life is waiting for your smile. Your soul is thirsty for your smile. Give yourself a big smile. early in the morning, look into the mirror and say, I love you, and give a big smile to yourself. You understand? Do it for 21 days and come back and let me know how it has changed your life. I tell you, this one simple exercise is going to create miracles. Just 1 minute early in the morning in front of the mirror and a big smile. It will just change your day. So, get ready to smile forever.